Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be upgrading this MK7 Golf R with the Milltek non-resonated exhaust system. And this particular customer has gone for the GT100 black tips. So let's hear what this exhaust system sounds like now. And then at the end of the video, we'll show you what it sounds like as well. So don't forget, if you are interested in this particular exhaust system or any other bits and pieces we do, head to the description and then you can find some more information on how to contact us. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously, if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.